Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Joyce Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you on how I styled my natural hair into this soft, fluffy bouncing twist. It's perfect as a protective hairstyle and super easy to do at home. I started on my freshly washed and moisturized natural hair. It's important your hair is clean and detangled to get smooth, defined twist. Next, I parted my hair into 3 large sections to make it easier to work with. I braided it down a bit before twisting it down. I ensure the twist is not tight. That will make it to be fluffy and bouncy. So, to achieve a perfect fluffy twist, don't twist too tight. Make sure you are stretching the hair while twisting it. If you are loving this hairstyle already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more natural hair videos and tutorials. So my beautiful people, stay with me to the end as you're going to learn step by step on how to style a fluffy bouncing twist. And here is the final look. The twists are bouncing, fluffy, and very natural looking. Let me know in the comment section what style you will try next. Thanks for watching, Queens. If you love this style, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair tutorials. See you in my next video. Stay beautiful, stay safe. Bye.